Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. A given quadratic equation which is x square plus 2 into m minus 1x plus m plus 5 equals to 0. So here we need to find the value of m, and the given conditions is the quadratic equation has real and equal roots. So write down the general form of quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. The quadratic equation, if it has equal roots, then the discriminant of the quadratic equations will be a 0. The discriminant of the quadratic equations will be b square minus 4ac. So we need to solve for b square minus 4ac equals to 0 to find the value of m. So write down the given equation again, which is x square plus 2 into m minus 1 into x plus m plus 5. So compare the given equation with the general form of quadratic equations and find the values of a, b, c. So here a is equals to 1, b equals to m 2m minus 1, so which is 2m minus 2, and then c is equals to m plus 5. Now solve for the discriminant equals to 0, which is b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. So here the b value is 2m minus 2, just substitute that. So 2m minus 2 whole square minus 4 into a value is 1 and the c value is m plus 5 equals to 0. Now expand this. Use a minus b whole square and expand this, which is 2m whole square minus 2 into 2m into 2 then plus 2 square and then minus 4 into m plus 5 equals to 0. If we simplify this, we'll get 4m square minus 8m plus 4 minus 4m minus 20 equals to 0. Now combine like term, we will get 4m square minus 12m minus 16 is equals to 0. See here we have 4 in all the 3 terms. So just divide both the sides by 4. So we'll get m square minus 3m minus 4 equals to 0. Now find the factors of minus 4. So which of the two numbers add up to minus 4 and add up to minus 3 and multiply up to minus 4, which is minus 4 and plus 1. So the factors are m minus 4 into m plus 1 equals to 0. So the m values are 4 or minus 1. So we can conclude that the values of m are minus 1 or plus 4. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.